Welcome to the Parkside Wood Workshop. I'm Amelia and I'm a third year product design student studying here. Today I'm going to be making some cute Christmas DIYs that you can do either at home, using some small tools, or here using our bigger facilities at Parkside. Once you've got your material, you can sketch out your chosen design onto your wood. You can use any old reclaimed wood or offcuts you have lying around. Once you've sketched your design out onto your wood, grab a saw and start cutting out your design. Once you've cut out your piece, you can sand any edges down to make them smooth and have a softer look. This is the final product. You can leave it here, or I'm going to show you some more advanced techniques using some of our facilities at Parkside. Firstly, load up your software. I've decided to use AutoCAD. You can then draw out your design as simple or as detailed as you like on there. Send your file to one of our technicians in the CAD lab, where they will then put it onto the laser cutter and get this cut out for you. You can also etch and raster into your pieces of wood. I made a few different versions and sizes, but I decided my favourite was the small one, where we added some string and put it on the tree.
Hi, my name's Megan and I'm an illustration student here at BCU. Today I'm going to show you how to make a screen printed Christmas card using the facilities here in the Parkside print room. To start off with, I started out doing some sketches on my iPad, just getting lots of different ideas until I settled on one main idea that I really liked. So to bring it to life, I printed it off using the printers at uni in black and white, and then we exposed the screen here in the print room ready for printing. So the next step was to mix the ink, so I went with a very Christmassy red. So the next stage is to put the screen in the screen printing bed to begin printing, and then the next stage will be putting the ink onto the screen and pulling it through. Once your design's transferred onto the paper, we then leave it out to dry. Here's my final design, ready to be given to friends and family for Christmas. The second design, I was inspired by a little sketch in my sketchbook. We're just going to go through the exact same process as we did with the first design. Although I've turned my design into a screen print, you can always print off your design onto some nice paper at home.